Okay, so we have the beginnings of a navigation that allows us to, in this particular case, just navigate to the list of courses. Let's add a couple other things. For instance, let's create a couple of components, like a login component, a registration component, a profile component, and then let's see if we can navigate between each other. Right? So let's do that. So let's do ng generate a component called login. So this is our login. Let's also create register, and let's create profile. Okay, and we'll see. Let's see. There they are: login, profile, and register. There we go. Okay, and let's navigate between them. Right, let's add to our route. Let's add to our route in our app routing, and we can just add to this array. Where do we want to go? So let's copy that, and let's this will be login. If you see login in the URL, then I want to go to the login component. Login component, there it is. Let's do this a couple more times. If you see the register, then we'll go to the register component. If we see instead profile, then we'll go to the profile component. Right? So now in the HTML, we could perhaps add a couple of these routes, right? And maybe add some vertical bars around them. And this could be, if it sees login, maybe this is login, register, and profile. Yes? Okay. All right, so if we go here, notice that we have the links, and indeed we can click on login, register, or profile and see the content of each one of them, right, as we would expect, and we could still go back to Course Navigator, right? All right, so now we have the navigation between all these three, and what we'd like to be able to do is perhaps add a form to each one of them to be able to actually type in our username, our passwords, and whatnot, right? And then look at our particular profile. So let's take a look at that next.